Okay, this is a precision device. It has the cylinder on the inside, which locks or unlocks the handle on the outside. And the cylinder on the outside is night latch, so it will retract the latch, but it won't unlock the lever trim. So if you come in using that, then you would unlock the thing here. What they're telling me is when you lock it on the inside, it'll open up on the outside. Well, let's see. That ain't the case. Wonder what they're doing wrong. Aha! So when they unlock it with their key, it does something on the inside. Okay. Now I know. I suspect it's this, because this should be level. And it's up, what, 10 degrees? They ran into with garbage cans or carts. That's probably the problem. Or it needs oil. Okay. Let me set up to take it apart. While I got it off, I'm going to take this off, because it is supposed to prevent you from prying the door open, because this will engage with the strike plate over there. I've only found it to be a problem. Never. But the only people breaking in around here is the fire department. I have probably worked on this before. No screw there. I'll put a screw here. Comes the fun part. See this? Over there.
It wasn't anything bad thing last time.
You can see what's going on in here? This is going, if you look up and you see it, you see that that's the tang that pushes up on the slide plate, which then pulls back the latch. And then this locks it. That's working kind of fine. But why? Why retracting the latch with the key on the outside. Why would that do anything here? Is it moving this? Oh well, let's see how it works. Let's try with the door closed, see what happens. Working? I don't know. Could it be this moving around? Let's see.
It's back, so it's at the main entrance, but to the front desk area, like by the reception. 101. Excuse me, sir. Are you installing a check-in system here? Or are you just fixing the lock?
Fixing the lock.
Okay. So
Trying to anyway.
a lock for that specific door, but it looks like it has.
Wonder what to do.
That specific door I was referring to, the 101, but that's they're working on it right now. Yes. Emergency contact phone, wala na sa camera.
Left.
Must have something to do with. I went through that way. Other than being bent, I don't see anything wrong with it, but I'm gonna put this back on here, straighten it out.
Siamo Valentina,
Y explícame.
are you putting that gas in the door?
crater. Never put it back on.